Don't miss an incredible chance to own prime real estate in a thriving Southwest Indiana community. William Wilson Auction and Realty presents the former New Harmony School, over 30 acres of development and home site potential in Posey County, Indiana, selling at sealed bid auction November 14th. Offered as one tract, selling by way of sealed bid auction. These 31 acres are situated less than 1 mile east of the Wabash River and just across from Murphy Park at 1000 East Street. With so much to see, 2 inspection dates are set for you to meet a Wilson Auctions representative on site to answer any questions and guide you to the many highlights of this incredible opportunity. Inspection dates are Sunday afternoon, November 10th from 2 to 4 o'clock Central Time and Thursday, November 14th from noon to 1 o'clock. 55,000 square feet of space on 31 acres of endless possibilities for development and home sites. This former school property in New Harmony, Indiana will sell at sealed bid auction Thursday, November 14th. Bids can be mailed or hand-delivered to the offices of William Wilson Auction and Realty in New Harmony, Indiana at 515 Main Street, 47631. Sealed bids must be received no later than Thursday, November 14th at 3 o'clock Central Time. For detailed requirements of the sealed bid process and other information about this property, call William Wilson Auction and Realty 812-682-4000 or visit the website wilsonauctions.com.